Hello everybody, I hope you're having a great day. In this video we're going to be doing a trade recap. I'm going to talk about how I position myself on ES shorts. Here is the trade I took, and let's get right into it. So coming to the day, I'm looking at the 4-hour profile and I see that the indices are a bit uncorrelated. NQ is kind of expanding higher, as you see, due to this large wick here on the 6 a.m. candle, while ES and YM were kind of delivering lower, kind of hurling towards this low. So I decided to stay on side until price resynced, right? So once NQ started to deliver lower, I started to monitor price to see if I could take a continuation trade to trade towards this low. I told myself I'd prefer to wait till 10 because this new 4-hour candle will allow me to have a better and cleaner opportunity to participate trading towards the downside. If we come look at the hourly here now, we'll see that YM trades low on this 9 a.m. candle and trades very close to this relevant swing, but doesn't quite take it and actually leaves a failure swing on this 9 a.m. candle and has a deep retracement way far back into the range. See ES and NQ still closing strong. Don't print that large wick. So this could kind of show me that YM might be forming a strength switch, right, between either NQ or ES. So from here on the hourly, I want to see I can fractalize price. So now we'll take our eyes to the 15-minute chart. We see here that this 10 a.m. is the open of the 10 a.m. candle. We'll take our eyes over to the left with this candle that's highlighted in red, which is for this PSP. See NQ and ES form a down close candle and YM forms a up close candle. This signifies weakness between NQ and ES, while YM formed that deep retracement, kind of having a strength switch here between these other two indices. Now, how do I identify which indice I want to choose to trade out of NQ and ES? Well, for me, it was simply which one was closer to the drawn liquidity. And considering this wick and considering here, we were much closer on the drawn liquidity on ES. So that was the asset that I wanted to trade lower. To the 5-minute, if we zoom in here to ES, after 10 a.m. opens, see we retrace back into this opposing candle. This is a valid SIST to me, and this high is protected because we traded into this SIST, formed this swing high, then closed below this opposing candle right at that 15-minute candle closure, printing that one stage crack and correlation. This is just all blending in together to confirm that we're going to continue lower and trade towards this previous day's low, right? As you see, price has a smooth expansion on the way down, forming multiple opportunities to get on side. And then we sweep this previous day's low, and this is where I TP'd. This trade ended up being around 3.5R. Great day today, very clean trade, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you later. Peace.